Don't talk too much, only present strong arguments to persuade others. Hi, welcome to the Self-Up. This time, I want to talk about how to make a strong argument. Can we convince someone with a lot of reasons or just give a short but solid argument? Most people have the misconception that the more arguments we give, the better. In fact, to convince someone you don't need a lot of reasons, you just need a short, strong and concise reason. This is a summary of Niro Sivanathan's TED Talk video entitled The Counterintuitive Way to Be More Persuasive and processed from various sources. Imagine you are out shopping for a dining set. Apparently, your favorite store is selling a dining set that contains 24 pieces at a discounted price, 8 plates in good condition, 8 bowls in good condition, and 8 dessert plates in good condition. Next, try to imagine the second alternative. Your favorite store only sells dining sets that contain 40 pieces at a discount. 8 plates are in good condition, 8 bowls are in good condition, 8 dessert plates are in good condition, 8 glasses but 2 glasses are broken, and 8 sauce plates but 7 plates are broken. Well, from those two things, how much would you be willing to pay? This is the premise of a clever experiment by Christopher C. from the University of Chicago. When it comes to the price of a 24-piece dining set, the average respondent is willing to pay around $500. But for a 40-piece dining set with some broken products, they are only willing to pay $250. Why did the respondents make such an irrational decision? Why are they only willing to pay half of the price of the 24-piece dining set? Whereas, in the 40-piece dining set, they will get a complete 24-piece dining set, plus 6 glasses and 1 sauce plate. This is called the dilution effect. Damaged items make you biased towards the real value of the item. If you can understand the dilution effect, then this can help you in your life and career. Have you ever said what you feel, but you didn't manage to persuade others? This is because the message may be very clear, but the delivery is not. Here's an interesting experiment. The researcher introduced 2 people, Tim and Tom. Tim studies an average of 4 to 5 hours a day outside of his class time, whereas Tom also studies an average of 4 to 5 hours a day outside of class. He has a younger brother and 2 younger sisters. Tom regularly visits his grandparents. He goes on blind dates and plays pool once every 2 months. Of these 2 people, who would you say has a higher GPA? Is it Tim or Tom? On average, respondents chose Tim, even though both of them spend 4 to 5 hours a day studying independently. This turned out to be due to different contexts. When we get information, our brain divides it into 2, diagnostic and non-diagnostic. Diagnostic information is information that relates to something that is being discussed. For example, from the example above, diagnostic information is 4 to 5 hours a day spent on self-study, while non-diagnostic information is information that is not related. When these 2 things are mixed, there will be a dilution effect. The fact that Tom has a younger brother and 2 younger sisters or plays pool every 2 months obscures the true information that Tom also studies 4 to 5 hours a day. This is a valuable lesson. When you are asked to speak, only present facts and strong arguments. Don't talk so much that you end up having a weak argument among all the strong ones. If this happens, then your argument becomes weak. This is a different view from most people. We may be used to giving a lot of reasons to convince someone, but this is not helpful. Remember, you can't increase the strength of your argument by how many sentences you say. Quality is better than quantity. So, when you are asked to speak, only present facts and strong arguments. The dilution effect is also often used in advertising. In the United States, pharmaceutical companies are allowed to run advertisements on television. For example, a drug that helps you to sleep well. The commercial might have a couple playing in the park, because the night before they had fallen into a deep sleep thanks to the sleeping pills they took. Since 1999, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has required pharmaceutical companies to provide information that balances the benefits and risks of the drug. So at the end of the ad, there is a section to tell consumers what the side effects of the drugs they sell are. You might hear a voice at the end say, "Side effects include heart attack, stroke, blah blah blah," and end with a phrase like "itchy feet." Well, These mild side effects provide a dilution effect to the severe side effects, such as heart attack or stroke. Try to imagine that the ad only says this: side effects include heart attack and stroke. Surely you will not dare to use the drug. When a person is given two facts, the mild and severe side effects of a drug, the lower the person's perception of how harsh the drug is. The advertisement prompted Niro to conduct a 2-year research. In the study, Niro showed an advertisement for a pharmaceutical product in a magazine. For half of the respondents, the researcher showed the full ad, which contained severe and mild side effects. For the other half, the researchers removed the mild side effects. Interestingly, respondents who saw the ad in its entirety, namely the mild and severe side effects, were willing to pay more than respondents who only saw the severe side effects. You don't need a lot of reasons to convince someone, just a few short, concise, and clear reasons. Please comment in the comment section what lessons you learned when you learned this information. Thank you for being here and supporting Self Up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment with your suggestions for future reviews or topics. Subscribe to stay updated on all things books, motivation, and self-development. Keep aiming higher, and I'll catch you in the next video.